They pass KFC, they pass McDonald's, they pass every international chain to wait in this queue for this chicken.
80 restaurants, all in Saudi Arabia. Despite being the most requested fast food brand for international expansion in the entire Middle East, Al-Baik has refused every offer for 50 years.
Jeddah, the gateway to the holy cities of Mecca and Medina, the financial heart of the kingdom, and the birthplace of a chicken revolution. His founding principle:
Al-Baik's first and non-negotiable standard, 100% halal chicken, verified by Islamic scholars who are permanently stationed at their suppliers' facilities. The chain of custody, documented at every... Al-Baik uses only specific cuts, thighs and drumsticks primarily. Never frozen, fresh daily delivery. Any piece that doesn't meet the color and texture specification is rejected immediately. Every Al-Baik restaurant receives fresh chicken. Not the day before, that morning. Complete logistics operation, from farm to your hand. Every piece.
This is where Al-Baik becomes Al-Baik.
24 hours minimum. While every other chain marinates for 2 to 4 hours, Al-Baik makes you wait a full day. This is not negotiable. This is the rule. Fresh garlic, not powder, not paste, processed fresh each day, combined with lemon, chili, and what sources describe as 20+ additional spices in a ratio that has never leaked it publicly. Every tray labeled with the time and date of marination. The kitchen clock marks 24 hours. Nothing comes out early. After 24 hours, the marinade has penetrated all the way to the bone. This depth of flavor penetration is physically impossible in 2 to 4 hours. The result, chicken where every single bite carries the full flavor. This is not replicable with any shortcut. The kitchen runs a continuous 24-hour rotation. Trays always going in, trays always coming out at exactly 24 hours. To ensure continuous service, the entire day's chicken is prepared the previous day. The breading blend. Not just flour, a dry blend of over 15 additional ingredients, including what culinary analysis suggests is ground turmeric for color, paprika for smokiness, and additional ingredients that remain unconfirmed. The coating adheres to the marinated surface differently than to raw chicken. The 24-hour marinade creates a slightly tacky surface that bonds the spice blend more effectively. A double coating system, a technique used by very few chains. The result is a crust that doesn't just cover the chicken, it becomes a structural shell that survives pressure frying while remaining crispy. Any piece with insufficient coating coverage is recoated. Not discarded, not sent anyway. Each piece, properly coated, properly sized, properly marinated, ready for the most critical step in Al-Baik's process. This crust is different from every other fried chicken on Earth. Sealed, pressurized to 14 psi, at 165 degrees. The elevated pressure raises the boiling point of water inside the chicken. In a pressure fryer, the sealed environment forces moisture to stay inside the meat while the outside crisps. Faster, juicier, crispier, the physics of pressure frying explains everything.
The pressure release. This moment, between sealed and open, is where the crust sets permanently.
This is the result of 24-hour marination, 20+ spice coating, double dredging, and pressure frying. This is why the queue never gets shorter. The crust, structurally distinct from open fried chicken. The interior, significantly more moist. Both achieved by pressure frying. Oil quality directly affects crust quality and taste. Al-Baik tests oil quality every 2 hours. If it exceeds their limit, the oil is changed regardless of cost. Maximum 30 minutes from fryer to customer. After that, discarded. Not discounted, discarded. While the industry standard allows up to 90 minutes in the holding station, Al-Baik has a 30-minute magnet of the day. Fresh chicken, 24-hour marinade, double-coated, pressure-fried, served in 30 minutes, or thrown away, every day, since 1974. That is why the queue never ends. Toum, Arabic for garlic, a traditional Levantine garlic sauce that has become Al-Baik's most requested item, separate from the chicken. People order extra toum to take home. Toum is made fresh daily at every Al-Baik location. The ingredients: fresh garlic, lemon juice, oil, and salt. The technique, more critical, and its touche separate. Al-Baik's toum recipe has been refined over 50 years. The Cobes arrives fresh from local bakeries each morning. Not stored, not frozen. Fresh bread with fresh chicken with fresh toum. 3 freshly prepared components together. The complete Al-Baik meal. Every component fresh. Every component daily prepared. Under $10 in most sizes. Every batch temperature checked. Below minimum, rejected. Above maximum, overcooked. The window is precise. No batch passes QC without correct temperature, uniform golden amber color. The timer reaches 0. The chicken is discarded. Not given away, not sold at a discount, discarded. This is the single most expensive quality commitment Al-Baik makes, and they have never compromised it. Every Al-Baik employee goes through standardized training before touching a single piece of chicken. The techniques, marination handling, coating method, fryer operation, QC inspection. The queue is long. The service is fast. The food is fresh. This combination, rare and fast food, is Al-Baik's operational model.
Every demographic, every nationality in the kingdom. Saudis, expats, pilgrims, the one thing they share? Al-Baik, Salve foods.
In Jeddah, eating Al-Baik on the Corniche is as iconic as the Red Sea view. It's not just food, it's the city's ritual.
Every year, 2 million Hajj pilgrims visit Saudi Arabia. The number one food they request by name? Al-Baik.
When these pilgrims return home to 180 countries,
Makkah and Medina locations are considered the most significant by Al-Baik. Millions of pilgrims experience the brand here for diners. Al-Baik refuses to meet that demand internationally. This decision is itself a brand strategy. The offers have come from Dubai, London, the US, Malaysia, every major market. The answer? No. The official position, impossible. The queue itself is part of the brand. It signals quality to new customers. In behavioral economics, scarcity increases perceived value. That is never spent on international advertising. 2 million pieces of chicken, fresh marinated, fresh fried, fresh served, every single day. 80 locations versus one a day cafés. No fast food chain on earth comes close. Hajj season, every Al-Baik location runs 24 hours. Every available piece of chicken pre-marinated. The only 2 weeks of the year where maintaining rule requires merely logistics.
Al-Baik is always better Saudi food, so it is so bonus of the first. So for local already sell yes too much is. For many Saudis, every international competitor in its home markets.
This is not a restaurant chain that got lucky. This is 50 years of an unbroken commitment to a standard. The chicken is the marketing, the standard is the product, the queue is the proof. In a world where every fast food chain competes by scaling up and cutting costs, Al-Baik's model, scale up while refusing to cut any standard, is the lesson every food brand should study. If this showed you something about Al-Baik you didn't know, subscribe. New factory every week. See you inside the next one.
real question, real answer. Comment below. We read everyone.
For millions of Muslims from around the world, their first encounter with Al-Baik happens during the most spiritual journey of their lives. The taste is inseparable from the memory of Makkah. 50 years. The world has changed around Al-Baik. The chain has not changed, and the queue has never compromised. In 50 years. Not once. Through oil crises, regional conflicts, global pandemics, the standard never changed. The queue never ended. Essential services, because for many Saudis, it genuinely was. The original restaurant, still there, still serving. 50 years later, the walls of this restaurant have seen more meals than most restaurants serve in a lifetime, where it all began. The numbers tell the story. In every brand metric that matters, awareness, satisfaction, repeat visits, roaming consistency. In Saudi Arabia, Al-Baik outperforms KFC in Local Arabia. Every Hajj season, millions of pieces of user-generated content about Al-Baik are shared globally. From Indonesia, Nigeria, Turkey, Pakistan, people who have never left Saudi Arabia watch these videos and want to try it. Saudi Vision 2030 is transforming the kingdom, and Al-Baik is evolving with it. New items must meet the same standards as the original internationally. The family that owns it says, not until we can do it without compromise. The golden color comes from the Maillard reaction, accelerated by Al-Baik's specific spice blend, shaping Al-Baik's unique taste. 3 elements are essential. Remove one, and it's not Al-Baik. Al-Baik emphasizes darker meat cuts like thighs and drumsticks for their higher fat content and better moisture retention in pressure frying. Lean breast meat is nieuwer more spermos, providing more fleur frying. The spice routes of the Arabian Peninsula, thousands of years of spice trading through Jeddah's port. Al-Baik's founder, being of Syrian origin, brought spice tradition rooted in Levantine cooking. Unlike most chains, Al-Baik remains family-owned. This is why the long-term standard has quarterly earnings. A family company prioritizes generational reputation.
Economists study Al-Baik as a case study in the experience economy, where the product is not just the food but the entire ritual. The queue builds anticipation. The red tray seems part of the product.
They pass KFC. They pass McDonald's. They pass every international chain to wait in this queue for this chicken.